my channel, The Lifestyle with Laura, and on today's video, I'll show you how to make a beautiful Mardi Gras centerpiece. It's beautiful and easy to make. So grab yourself some beads, a mask, and keep watching. I'll show you what else you need. Let's get started. These are the materials that I'm using. I'll leave a list in the description box below. I've already pre-cut sections of mesh. I pre-cut this to 20 inches each. So let's go ahead and start putting our mesh together. What I'm going to do is just lay the mesh down like this, curl it under, and then pull it to me. Just pull it. And just curl that in under. And take some of my pipe cleaner and wrap this in the center. Give it about at least 2 good wraps. Just twist it like this. And then I'll do my gold the same way. Curl it under and pull it towards me. And curl that in. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this in like an X and give it a couple of twists tightly. And same with the purple. Just let it go under and pull it toward. And again, I grab it in the center and take it like an X. And give it a couple of twists tightly. And this is what it looks like, and we'll need 2 of these. So I'll go ahead and attach my mesh to my Margirita glass. Now I found this Margirita glass while thrifting at Goodwill. So I'm just going to wrap this around. Just get it tight around there a few times. And take my second one and just do the same thing. And just kind of spread it out. And now we can just work with our beads. And I'm just going to just start putting the beads in. And I got these beads from the Dollar Tree. Now I really want to keep these beads together. And it has this little plastic piece on it that will keep it together. I want to take my beads, give them a twist, and I want to place them In my glass, I want them to actually drape like a necklace. And take my spirals and just place them in here. Once I get that set in, it will help the beads to stay in place a little bit better. And then I'll place my mask on. I did cut the strings off of my mask. It made it easier to work with. And I'll show you the front in just a little bit. And then just play around with your spirals. These are so easy, you can just pull them out a little bit if you want them to be longer. Move them in, whichever way you want them to be. Just play around with it. I'll move this back and I'm gonna turn it around and show you what it looks like. Take a few beads and place on here. This bead with this little saxophone on it. And this is how my beautiful Mardi Gras centerpiece turned out. It's so beautiful and so easy to make. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.